Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome to Miss Brenda Dee place. Today we're sharing some hot water cornbread, y'all. Yes, stay tuned and I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I make mine. Here I'm starting off by adding my cornmeal. This is just regular yellow cornmeal. Now I'm adding my flour, my baking powder, and some salt. Now we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together. If you would like to, you can add some sugar. This is optional. This is my way of doing it. Sometimes I add sugar and sometimes I don't. I decided to use my whisk so I can incorporate all my ingredients. Here I'm adding my hot water. Make sure you add just a little hot water at a time because you don't want to add too much hot water. If you add too much hot water, your cornbread mixture wouldn't be able to be formed into a cornbread patty. So that's why I say don't add too much hot water to it. And if you happen to add too much hot water, add a little more cornmeal to it. By adding a little more cornmeal, that will help it to be able to form into a cornbread patty. Here I'm adding just a little butter. Y'all, that butter makes your cornbread really, really good. Here I'm checking out the consistency of my mixture. It should be able to be formed into a cornmeal patty. Before cooking your hot water cornbread, make sure you have some cool regular tap water that you can cool your fingers off while you're patting out your cornbread. Here I'm placing my cornbread into my hot oil. Try not to have them too close where they will connect, long as they have just a little space between them, because they will stick together. Here I'm continuing putting in my cornbread patties. Here I'm adding my last cornbread patty to my oil, and I'm going to let these fry until they brown on this side, and then I'm going to turn them over. I'm going to show y'all. I'll be right back. Now I'm checking to see if my cornbread has browned on the bottom side. You just check, see, it's ready. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to flip all my cornbread patties over. Be very careful not to splatter the oil. Be very careful doing this process. Okay, as y'all can see, they have browned. I'm going to let them brown on the bottom side, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. As y'all can see, it has brown on the bottom side. And so I'm going to remove these out of my skillet. and show y'all my final result. Okay, y'all, here's our hot water cornbread. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to share this channel with your family and friends and your co-workers, or just anybody that you meet. Just remember, you're always welcome to Miss Brenda Dee Place. We love y'all.